Custom labels are an absolute must-have for anybody who's working in the restaurant business or really in food and beverage in any way. There's endless ways that you can use labels for organization and all kinds of things, but in this video, we're going to nail down and talk about how you can use custom labels and stickers to boost your branding and make your customer experience a little more unique. So make sure to subscribe for more business and labeling tips, and let's take a look at those ideas. First, we're going to show you how you can order or create some custom allergy and diet restriction labels. At OnlineLabels.com, you can order pre-printed diet and allergy stickers that are already designed and ready for you to use. These labels are going to help with safety internally and externally. You can use these to mark products and keep things organized in your own kitchen, and to customize certain orders from certain customers who need adjustments for certain dietary restrictions and allergies. We have everything from vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, dairy-free, and ingredient labels for fish, chicken, nuts, cheese, and much more. So check out that link in the description to see if you can find labels that work for you. We also have removable label materials in pretty much every size, and those make perfect labels for organizing the kitchen. If you're in the restaurant industry, you definitely know how chaotic kitchens can get, so keeping things organized is absolutely essential. When you use removable label material, you're able to replace expiration dates really easily, change ingredient names, and do other things on the fly. It'll also look a little bit cleaner than masking tape, and you can buy a whole clamshell case of blank sheets or a huge roll of blank labels to use that'll last you a really long time. And with online labels, you can make product labels of any kind. So for your storefront or for your online business, there's a lot of opportunities in your product labels to look for branding. If you have some ketchup and mustard bottles in your storefront, you can make some custom labels that brand them to your restaurant. And you can even use that space to advertise specific promotions and deals. You can make custom labels for your sauces, to-go cups, and even more. And something that no business should go without is logo stickers. Logo stickers are one of the quickest and easiest ways you can add branding to a to-go bag or anything else. You can design and print your own logo stickers, or even use that space to include a little QR code that links to your social media, or like we said earlier, advertise your rewards program or specific sales. And the last idea we're sharing today is a way to make your customers feel a lot more comfortable with their experience, and that's tamper-proof seals. With a tamper-evident label used on the to-go bag, the drink, or the storage container is a really good way to make sure your customers feel comfortable. This really helps to keep your food items safe and to make sure your customers are getting exactly what they ordered. We have a ton of different pre-printed labels and pre-designed templates that would be great for any restaurant owner, beyond all of the ideas we shared here today, so make sure to follow the links in the description to take a look. So we hope you can use some of these ideas in your business or in your brand, and if you have any questions or ideas, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you have labeling in your life in really any way, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Like the video if you enjoyed, and thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.